In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in WordPress. This technique is both visually appealing and functional, allowing your content to look more professional and engaging for your readers. Whether you're a blogger, a small business owner, or managing a vast website, mastering this simple skill will enhance your web pages considerably. First, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage all of your website's content. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page or post where you want to add your text-wrapped image. If you're creating a new piece, start by clicking on the Add New tab under Posts or Pages. If you're editing an existing post, hover over the title and click Edit. With your post or page open, you'll first need to add some text. It's best to have a paragraph or two of text already in place so you can see how the wrapping works. Once you have your text set up, it's time to insert the image. Place your cursor in the position where you want your image to appear. Click on the Add Media button located above the text editor. This opens the WordPress Media Library, where you can either select an existing image or upload a new one. After selecting your image, you'll see some options on the right-hand side of the media library. Here, pay close attention to the Attachment Display settings. This is where you can specify how your image will appear in relation to your text. Look for the Alignment option and select either Left, Right, or Center. Choosing Left will place the image on the left-hand side of your text, while the text wraps around the right. Conversely, selecting Right will put the image on the right side, with text wrapping around the left. The Center option places your image in the middle, with text possibly above and below it rather than wrapping around. Once you've chosen your preferred alignment, hit the Insert into Post button. The image will now appear within your text, wrapping around it as you specified. If needed, adjust the size of your image using the corner handles, making sure it complements your text well. Preview your post to ensure the text and image layout is as you envisioned. If any adjustments need to be made, go back and modify either the image alignment or its size until you're satisfied. Remember, consistency is crucial. As you continue to create more content, aim to use similar image styles and sizes for a unified look. Wrapping text around images not only enhances readability, but also adds a stylish touch to your website. With just a few clicks, you can transform your WordPress pages into visually appealing and professional-looking content. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging!